For storage, I went ahead and got a 1TB Western Digital mechanical hard drive, and this wouldn't be a Radeon rig if I didn't have a Radeon solid state drive to go inside here. Hey buddy, can you open this up for me? I'm gonna open this up while my assistant there helps me out. Got that, and looks like he got it open. Thanks, Red Ranger. Thank you. Right, and this case has a special mounts where they mount sideways on here, so let me go and take off this plate. Alright, I think I'm going to mount this hard drive lower, right there on the rubber stops there, and I'm going to have this one facing outward so that one can see from the outside. I even got red SATA cables to go with this. I'm going to go ahead and mount this solid state drive first, so just go ahead and mount it flat here. Line up the holes. I'm going to go ahead and mount the solid state drive first, so let me move the hard drive out of the way. Just lay this flat, and then line up the holes here, and then screw those in place. Don't even know if I'm going to use up the 1TB drive. Maybe I'll just use it as a backup for this 480 gig drive. Who knows, maybe someday down the road I'll get another 480 gig and not even need the mechanical hard drive anymore. Mount it right on the plate there. And let's go into the hard drive. So that was going to go this way. So let me just line up the rubber with the screw holes there. And I'm going to use these screws with the broad head there to hold them in place. These screws hold the hard drive against the little rubber washers here to dampen the vibrations. So now that I have these attached to the plate, I'm just going to go ahead and slip it right back in and then reattach the plate to the case. Just like that. I really love that design there. It really does add a lot of space in here.